So we're going to be trying the Meguiar's Headlight restoration. I tried to just go out and see how clear they would be if I just used rubbing alcohol. And it cleared them up and pretty good. So because I wanted to make sure that it wasn't just dirty. I know they were faded and everything. I've done this before with the, what brand did I use? I've used this one. That's the heavy duty. And I've used this one. And this one, in my opinion, it didn't last long. I think it was within that year, not even. Had to do it again. So, yeah, we're going to see if this one is any better. I mean, this is the same brand, but this is heavy duty. And this one here was a little cheaper, but yeah, it didn't work that great. What do we get in this new kit? You get 2 scouring pads, and you get the cleaning solution, and you get the spray. So that's what you get in this kit. $35 on sale. So we're going to see now how this works. Now, what are you supposed to do? Apply to clean, cool, and dry headlight in the shade. Mask around the headlight before use. Immediately remove any overspray from the surrounding surface. If overspray occurs, remove with rubbing alcohol. Avoid spraying on breezy days because of overspray. 1. Shake the product well before use. Squeeze a quarter-size amount of cleaning solution onto the cleaning pad provided. So that's one of those pads. Using a back and forth motion, thoroughly clean the entire headlight surface. Reapply as needed. Wipe the headlight surface with a clean towel to check progress. The surface is properly clean when it has a uniform frosted appearance across the entire headlight. Wipe clean with a damp cloth and dry completely. 2. The second step is headlight must be 100% clean and dry before headlight coating is applied. Shake product very well before use. Apply 1 medium wet coat of headlight coating to the entire headlight surface, overlapping the previous pass by 50%. So it's like, spray painting your car. Let the first coat dry 3 to 5 minutes. Follow with a second coat to completely seal the headlight lens. The coating will be dry to touch in 3 to 5 minutes and fully cured within 24 hours. Do not expose the coating to water until fully cured. And that is very important for me because I was going to do it today, but it wasn't supposed to rain, but it did. Hey YouTube family, hit that subscribe button because not only does it keep you in the loop, it also lets the YouTube algorithm know that you like this sort of thing. Also, it helps the YouTube algorithm push this video out to more and more wonderful, beautiful people just like you. So as you see here, it don't look too bad. It was just a little windy that day and got some overspray, and you can see that, but I didn't care about that. You seen what it was like before, and this is much better. So I'm kind of happy with the results, and if I got to do it every year, then so be it. It was a pretty easy process. Thanks, guys.